Are you looking to make your PowerPoint presentations more dynamic and engaging? Today, I'm going to show you how to embed and play multiple audio tracks in PowerPoint, step by step, in the easiest way possible. By the end of this guide, your slides won't just talk, they'll sing. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want your audio to play. Click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen. From there, select Audio and then choose Audio on My PC. This allows you to pick any audio file saved on your device. Once you've selected a file, it will appear on your slide as a small audio icon. Now, if you want to add more than one audio track, just repeat the same process for each file. You can insert as many tracks as you like, and each will have its own playback controls. This is perfect if you want background music, sound effects, or voiceovers playing at different points in your presentation. After inserting your audio files, you can customize when and how each track plays. Click on the audio icon, go to the Playback tab, and choose options like Start Automatically or Play Across Slides. This way, you can control whether a track plays only on a single slide or throughout your entire presentation. Finally, don't forget to preview your slides to make sure everything sounds perfect. Play each track and adjust the timing as needed so your presentation flows smoothly and keeps your audience hooked. And that's it. Embedding multiple audio tracks in PowerPoint is simple, yet it can completely transform your presentation from ordinary to unforgettable. Try it out, experiment with different tracks, and watch your slides come to life.